High five, a universal gesture of celebration and friendship. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and universal gesture you've likely seen or used before, the high five. It's a common expression in many cultures, and understanding it can add a fun, informal touch to your English communication. So, let's get our hands ready to learn about the high five. The high five is a simple yet popular gesture involving two people raising one hand each, usually their right hand, and slapping them together. It's a form of greeting, celebration, or agreement. This gesture is often seen in sports, casual social gatherings, and sometimes even in professional environments as a way to celebrate small victories or show camaraderie. Although the exact origins of the high five are a bit unclear, it is generally believed to have gained popularity in the sports world during the late 1970s or early 1980s. It's thought to be an evolution of the low five, which has been around since at least the 1920s. The high five has since become a universal gesture, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. Apart from the gesture itself, the phrase, high five, is also used verbally in English. For instance, someone might say, "Give me a high five," or just, "high five," as a way to request the gesture after a successful event or agreement. It's a casual, friendly phrase often accompanied by a smile or enthusiastic tone. While the high five is generally seen as a positive and friendly gesture, its appropriateness can vary depending on the cultural and situational context. In informal settings, it's widely accepted and can be a great way to express joy or solidarity. However, in more formal or traditional settings, it's advisable to gauge the atmosphere or stick to more conventional greetings. I hope this video has given you a good understanding of what a high five is and how it's used in both physical and conversational contexts. Remember, the high five is all about fun, friendship, and shared success. Don't hesitate to use it when you want to celebrate a moment casually or connect with someone in a friendly manner. Thanks for watching, and high five to you for learning something new today.